Good morning mga mahal! For today's video, we're going to Boracay for 5 days. Our adventure for 5 days in Boracay. Samahan nyo kami mga mahal. Kami na katulad ng pagsama nyo sa amin sa China. Ngayon, Boracay naman tayo. So, Isa, good morning! Sama natin si Isa, mga mahal. At si Mahal G, ayun, naantok-antok na naman kasi early na naman kami umalis ng bahay. Good morning, Mahal G.
Good morning. Guess what? We're going to Boracay today. We better move up the line.
So, dyan lang kayo, mga mahal. Mag-check-in muna kami, mag-bag drop. Nakapag-check-in na ako online. Now, bag drop naman. Mga mahal. Isa.
Hi, mga mahal. Good morning. Kabalo ng pangalan mo. Sa akin.
Swerte kami. Dito kami dumaan. Mahal, where are you going?
Let's check the board.
Okay, where are we going?
Boracay.
5J?
891.
Okay, good.
Ang init. Ay, mga mahal. Gusto ng kape. This is only for $5. Take over vlog. Vlog over. Ano pala?
Vlog takeover.
Take over. Punta kami ngayon mga mahal sa Boracay. This is my first time for my vacation on domestic flight. I'm so excited mga mahal. First time ko sumakay ng airplane.
No, you're not. You've been getting on the plane when you're working overseas.
No? Mag-aaway tayo.
You said to you, I'll fight you.
I'm joking. I'm too excited this flight. Hindi ako nakatulog mga mahal.
This is only domestic.
We're going on a domestic flight, mga mahal. But the thing is, we already check in and everything. The gate is TBA. It says to be announced, but we're still early anyway. Our boarding time is 6:35. Our flight is 7:20. So, kita-kita tayo mga mahal. Boracay, Philippines, with Isa. Samahan niyo pa rin kami sa ating adventure. As you know, we always share all our travel memories. It's not formative, it's informative. But we try our best to share our memories. So, mga mahal, kita-kita tayo. Boracay! See you later! Yeah. Punta na kami sa aming boarding gate. Nag-announce na 134B. Umuulan, Ning.
Yeah, it's raining outside.
Hi! Hello, vlog! 134B.
Tama kayo mga mahal.
Ay, malapit na. Neng, smile. Ay! Hindi, nawala. Hindi maganda.
Itong pala sa taas.
Kaya nga hindi huli na nang maisip eh. No, it's okay, mahal.
Oh, it's okay.
134B. Ito ang domestic terminal 3, domestic flight mga mahal. Yan, daming tao. 1 hour flight. We're flying with Cebu Pacific and a 1 hour flight. Nandun na kami sa Katiklan and then airport transfer and then boat. So,
Last and final call for boarding from West Departing Timor of August.
sa dulo ning
703. Last and final call for guest Mr. Christian Mark Mamura.
magbo-boarding na kami mga mahal, pero we're gonna get a bus and then up to the to get into the plane. Ganito yung domestic ng Cebu Pacific dito mga mahal. Lapit na kami mag-boarding. Ayun mga mahal. Ayun ang gate. Tapos, Boracay, Katiklan. Then the bus is outside. We gotta get the bus. Isa. Bye. See you in Katiklan. Babas. Sakay na kami ng bus.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, Isa.
Adios, señorita.
Adios, amigos. Boarding na kami. Sakay kami ng bus. We're gonna get... Bakit? Why?
Did you call very far?
Nauna na siya. Ayun na si Isa.
Ma'am Sinaida.
Yes. Thank you. Diretso. Yan, warm na, mahal. It's not.
Where's Isa?
Isa You can sit there, mahal.
Saan?
There. Hold your boarding gate up to that
Dito lang sa mababa kasi maleta.
sige. Up to the dun.
Kaya na kayo.
Mahal, let's go here. Yan mga mahal. You need to go to the bus. Are you right, mahal?
Yeah. I'm good.
You're good. Stop scratching it.
Okay, scratch.
Yeah, it's okay. You can scratch me.
My nose is cold. I need to wear a ski mask.
Dito na kami mga mahal sa bus papunta dun sa gate at sa plane. Gonna go on a plane. So, see you mga mahal sa plane.
We see you on the plane. We see you in Boracay. On the boat first.
Here's the bus going to the plane, mga mahal, inside the airport. When you're flying domestic in the Philippines, it's like this. When you're flying Cebu Pacific, you're just gonna get a bus into the tarmac for Cebu Pacific plane. Like that, Cebu Pacific. Yeah, you're going to the tarmac and then just gonna get from the bus. You're gonna get off from the bus and then your flight. See that? The flight is there. It's not a very big flight. It's only a domestic one. So Yan mga mahal, just in case you're gonna travel to the Philippines. And mahal. Para. Okay ka lang? Yan, we're going to the tarmac. Ning, Ning. Oh, that's good. Wala ka nang dadalhin. Wala ka nang dadalhin. Ano na? Check in na, Ning. Ning, smile. Check in na. Hey, ga. Hello naman kayo sa vlog ko. Hello, vlog. Yan, si Poo Pacific. Hello, vlog. Puno ang plane. Buti wala ka ng check hand carry, Ning. Sabi niya, ma'am, ma'am. Na kami mahal, mga mahal. We're looking for our seat 8. Sige, doon ka na sa bitana, Ning. Sa gitna na ako. Is that the one, mahal?
Yep.
Okay. Oo. Oh, Ning, pati ano mo nga. Yan. Okay na. Yeah.
Tanggalin mo na lang
Ha? Oh, tanggalin ko. Okay. So, sit back and relax and enjoy 1 hour flight. Oo, okay na. Ayan, mga mahal. Sit back and relax and enjoy the flight, mahal G. Si mahal G.
Okay, oh yeah, bye.
Okay. Bye. See you soon in Boracay, mga mahal. See you soon in Boracay. Welcome to Boracay, Katiklan Airport. We're here waiting for our luggage. Ay, si Mahal G. Nagsalita pa naman si Mahal G. Mahal, welcome to Boracay. Not yet.
Welcome to Morocco. So, we're just waiting for the luggage.
Yeah.
Oh yes, we got luggage. Oh, I forgot about that. I was going to be walking. I was only thinking of your luggage.
Saan ang luggage natin? Philippine Airlines to. Doon pa sa loob. Tanong mo, Neng.
Yeah, there's only one. It's only a small airport, so this will be it here.
Yeah. Welcome, mahal. Thank you po. Opo, pareho kami. Taga-Australia po kami. Nagbakasyon lang kami dito. Dito na kami. Sasakay na ng boat. Mga mahal. Magbo-boat na kami, mga mahal. Thank you po. ID. Valid. They got your...
Make another one.
Philippine ID. Wait na lang po kami mga mahal. Ito, dito kami, Boracay.
Nag-text pala. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. This is John.
Hi.
Nag-text pala sa
Nag-text.
kung nag-a-assist sa UTV support.
Okay. Waiting, mag-a-assist. Boat na kami mga mahal. Boat ticket. Wait here, mahal. Ayun yung mga boat. How's your experience so far?
Yeah, very interesting. It's,
See all the boat there. Yeah.
it's nice to see the beautiful island.
That's all. We gotta go for get into the boat until we go to our hotel, mga mahal.
Kasi pala nag-ganyan kami sa lama, no?
Oo. Thank you.
How long is the boat ride? Approximately 7 to 10 minutes on you.
Oh,
That's far. Like in a swim tank. Really?
Alam mo na sa
This is your seat number, ma'am.
seat number
Yes,
060405 456.
And then, sa kanila po, ano naman po yung
Mag- Okay. Siya naman ang mag-pick up sa amin.
Pagbaba niyo ng bangka,
Oo.
ano yung magkagat na siya?
Okay.
Pagdating na sa kabila, picture lang.
Opo. Okay. Ha? Ha? Yeah. Yeah. That's our birthday number. 05.
Ah, asi. Wala mo additional payment pala sa po.
Ah, meron?
150 each.
Ah, meron palang additional payment. Bakit?
Iba yung kasi ticket ng ano.
Ah, meron kang baryaning?
300 only ma'am sa dalawa. Dalawa lang naman eh.
Ah, dalawa lang. Wala na kasi akong barya.
Ma'am, ano naman eh.
Isa, okay lang. Okay.
Sorry ka na si ma'am eh.
Oh,
Bigyan mo kay kuya. Sorry kuya, wala nang cash.
Kasi nakadilas dito for local eh.
Ah, ganun pala. Oh, sorry kuya.
Mapapicture ako lang sa
Okay.
harap dali kayo makilala.
Picture daw. Mang G. Para makilala doon sa pagbaba. Okay, thank you kuya. Diyan na. Ayun na, ando na yung maleta namin, no?
Bigyan na lang si kuya.
O, may bariya ka pa dyan, eh.
Okay pa.
O, sige, thank you po. Thank you, kuya. Yung porter, yun. Hindi, may bariya ka pa. Mahal, are you alright? Oh, thank you po. Yeah. Pagdating doon.
Picture na exercise ka sa kanya.
Opo. Mhm. Opo, thank you po. Sa kanya din. Oo.
Thank you mga mandun. There's lots of little islands around here.
Mahal, are you alright? How's
Yeah.
your experience so far?
It's wonderful. You can see out the window there's plenty of islands to look at.
Yeah.
And we're going to
Boracay Island. Yeah.
And it's going to be a 7-minute boat trip to get there. So far, it is a wonderful experience. I recommend anybody that wants to visit the islands, this is the place to come and see. It is beautiful. So stay tuned, watch on. Once we land at our destination, we will show you some more videos. Thank you.
Seven minutes from the port to the Boracay Island. Mga mahal. 7 minutes. Kami mga mahal. Kailangan mag-ingat. Sila Now it's hot.
Hello, sir.
Ayan na. Yung sundo natin. Give it to him, mahal ko. Yeah, that's our pick up, mahal ko. Give it to him. Thank you. Thank you. Okay ka lang isa? Okay.
Sorry, I thought you were here.
Ikaw, kuya, ha?
Tatlo kami sa picture, kuya. Hindi ako ba parang hindi napansin sa lahat?
Pwede ba ako mag-picture?
Oh, pwede. Hello ka muna sa vlog ko. Hello, vlog. Welcome to Boracay.
Boracay, can I take a picture?
Sure, why not?
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Sabi ni Mang G, I'm famous. They taking picture of me.
I'll call the driver, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, kuya. Oh, hal, it's hot now. Hot. You like it hot?
Still pouring out.
Okay. May barya ka pa ba dyan? Bigyan mo si kuya.
Oh, that's a nice
200.
price for you to get.
Yeah. Buti marami kang barya.
O yung pinuksan niya na nagpabarya ko.
Oo.
Ayun na, yun lang.
Okay na. Magpapabarya naman tayo mamaya. Bigyan mo 200.
50 na lang.
Okay.
Hindi ka lang.
Para...
Para nga barya pa.
Oo. Okay na yun. Mamaya mag-cash out tayo.
Let's go, ma'am, sir.
Let's go. Thank you.
Sa hotel natin,
Henan Palm Beach Resort. You like your experience, mahal?
Yes, very much. I love to see the island. This island is like this.
He
So
likes.
nice and relaxing. And just seeing everything being sort of plain, nothing too complicated.
We're going now to our hotel. The Boracay Station 1, Station 2, Station 3. It's not too hot, isn't it?
No, it's not.
And the
Nice.
breeze is nice. Layo din. Yun yung mga station.
buti pa nga.
Ito yung improper Aklan, I think. And then yung Boracay Island, yun yung station. Station 1, Station 2. Yun yung tourist spot. Yeah. And that's the tourist spot, the station 1, 2, 3. I think we are on Station 1, Hainan Palm Beach Resort. Oo. Lahat yun, yung Station 1, 2, 3, mga hotel na yun. Pero hindi ko na ano kung station 1 tayo yung hotel natin o 2 or 3 pero i-check ko. Station 3, Henan Palm Beach. Yun, Henan Palm Beach is ano daw?
Station
2. O nga, tong kulit mo. Ayan, vlog pa more. Sorry lang po. Tao lang po. Medyo nasusuffocate na yung aking aura.
O, hindi na po.
O siya mga mahal. Didiretso na natin ng room tour as soon as we get
Wala po, wala. Wala
po.
nilipad eh.
Okay. We're gonna go straight on our room tour. If we can get early check, if not, we're gonna drop our luggage to the hotel and then we just have something to eat. We look for something to eat. Gising na? That is the front there. This is the back. Pwede yung bed namin is one double and one queen.
Bali ma'am, your reference is
Yeah.
hence the bed configuration is either king size bed or your but the position is very limited. So I can recommend naman po for the one queen and
Yeah, one single bed. Yeah, for sure. And a little bit higher.
Sige ma'am, don't
Thank
check
you.
somewhere that ma'am, I just need you to check your phone and then other information like your contact number, email address, and signature, same like the of your ID card.
Okay na po. That's the Henan Palm Beach Resort, mga mahal. Go. We go outside and find some restaurant to eat. Pero meron tayong welcome drink. Island sunset. We keep this. We go for a restaurant outside. Yeah, we go outside. That's the front. If you go, we go to the beach. It's just outside. And the restaurant for the buffet tomorrow morning, just outside. Just there. That's the Henan Palm Beach. Saan tayo dadaan? Dito. Yan mga mahal. Henan Palm Beach Resort. That's there. That way outside. Meron kaming welcome drinks so
The welcome drinks ma'am start at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. at the bar, okay? And hindi pa namin ma-avail yung buffet breakfast namin today.
Ano ba, boss? Hindi ba na ma-abela ng breakfast ka rin?
Hindi, kung ma-avail na natin yung buffet breakfast today. Okay, thank you. Kasi init na kami.
Thank you.
Oh, if you want, we go outside. Bukas pa, tomorrow, we go outside. Na, let's go out there to find something to eat. Hindi.
Bukas na lang mo, baka may signal niya. Bigyan ko na lang kayo ng contact number mo.
It's here. We go find something to eat here.
Hi ma'am, morning.
Morning. No, our breakfast, buffet breakfast is for tomorrow start. And we can find something to eat here. Yeah, it's all the way down there. Oo, yung harapan. Doon tayo sa likod dumaan eh. Because we just go out. Ito yung ice flakes. Yan, ice flakes. Oo, masarap yan. Let's go up farther there. We have a look something to eat. Nigi-nigi nuus. Saan nigi-nigi nuus ang noti? So, mamaya ulit mga mahal. Sama ko kayo. Maghanap muna kami ng makakainan. I have our lunch, first lunch in Boracay. Kasi hindi pa available yung aming seat. Kaya magla-lunch muna kami, mga mahal. Isa, okay ka lang?
Yes, I'm okay.
Hindi pa available yung lunch. Lunch, hotel. Yung room. It's not available. How much is they took you for deposit?
I have a look at the look. We're planning
Ano to, La Mesa, no?
Yung lamesa.
Itong restaurant.
Teka lang natin.
It's okay lang.
Magpupulpos lang ako.
Yeah,
Oily
that's
na ako.
deposit.
How much?
$200.
Magpupulpos ka ba?
Hindi, okay lang. Mag-check-in lang ako.
Sige, tamo ko ah.
Yeah.
Teka lang, nasasakpa ako. Hindi nagsisingkin eh. Sobrang tuwa ko kagabi.
Happy ka ba?
Oo, sa TV nga, hindi
That's
talaga
good.
ako, tamo yung ano ko, hindi talaga ako makatulog. Natanong ni Fidel kung maganda. Sabi ko, oo, yan mo, pag-uwi mo, pupunta tayo dito.
Dumaan kasi tayo sa likod, pero pag
Kaya
bukas tomorrow, buffet breakfast, overlooking yan. Makikita natin yan. Overlooking. Oo.
Buti nga nagsuba ko kagabi.
Hello. Can you see me?
Hang on. Yeah, I can see you.
Ah, you at home, are you?
Yeah, I'm at home. I'm chucking sicky today because we've got too much work on.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to set it all up. Calls
I just thought I'd show you. Actually, we booked into the motel, but we can't go in until 1:30, so we're going to some breakfast here up at the beach. Can you see that?
That looks lovely.
Oh, mate. The water is so blue, it's unbelievable.
Okay. So you need to bring me back pamphlets of the hotel you stayed at
Yeah.
and give me all the pricing because I'm going to make the trip and get there myself.
It's like you've got to catch the plane to the mainland, like from Australia to Manila, and then from Manila you've got to catch a domestic flight to, well, I forget the name of the town.
Aklan.
Aklan.
Katiklan.
Katiklan, right, which is about 40-minute flight, and then you catch a ferry from there, a boat ferry takes you to the island, and then you do island hopping from here. You do lots of islands.
So how long are you on the ferry for?
Like 10 minutes? Yes, 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Wow.
Yeah.
From the domestic airport that you come off from here. Wow. Well, how long are you going to be there for now?
5 days. Yeah. We back Manila Monday,
We're going back now.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Bali is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, 5 days.
Okay. That wouldn't be enough for me, I'm telling you.
Well, you know, because we've been, like, we went to China, we went to Manila. We didn't go really
But
much.
you got married again.
Thank you,
Well,
Tanya.
that's a traditional dress, Chinese, historical dress, Chinese outfit, you know, that we wore and they took it
Rang
around.
Tang Dynasty.
Tang Dynasty. And,
Tang Dynasty.
no, it was, I tell you what, the meal was, the tour that we had there in that town, that was really good, which included a one-on-one tour, like Jenny and I and the tour guide,
Yeah.
the bus. We got something from the hotel, took us there, showed us around, bought us lunch.
Patagda kita niyo.
All included. That was really good. And she was very helpful. She spoke Chinese. You've got to use your Chinese translator to communicate with Chinese because not everybody talks Chinese.
What about over there where you are now? Is it something like you
Yes. Oh yeah, yeah. Because it's very much in the Philippines. Everybody.
Oh, that's great.
Because it's Americanized. You know, the
Yeah,
American
that's
70
right.
years and all of that stuff.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
very good. It's
Well,
laid
I'm
back.
pretty I'm happy for you because when you come back to reality for the both of you.
Well, I said to Zenny, if she loses me, just catch the plane back on straight.
I think it's great. It's great. And enjoy your time, mate. I'm just very jealous. That's all.
Well, you've got to enjoy. Well, you've done a fair bit of travelling. You've travelled the world, and
Yeah, sort of.
so it's. Well, I haven't really travelled the world, but I've done a couple of Asian countries.
Sabi ni Alisa sa anak ko.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. Anyhow. Well, we're just probably going to have some breakfast now, and
Ikaw naman natin.
I sent you a couple of
Alisin ko yung
photos and
ano.
a video on the boat, stuff like that.
You got to tell me what the sand is like.
Oh, it's white. It's white sand. I'm going to go in later.
Is it very touristy? Where
Yes,
you are?
yes, very good. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And is it supposed to be? Is it supposed to be tropical weather at the moment?
Yeah, tropical weather.
It is tropical weather at the moment.
It's 27 degree, Tanya, but it's a bit of a breeze. It's
There's
nice
a nice
breeze.
breeze up the beach.
You walk there, Ma. You show it to Tanya. The hotel is in front of the water. Thank you. Hindi ko pala siya napatay, naka-on. Say hello to my vlog. Hello vlog.
Welcome to Nesta.
Thank you. Sa pilitan mga mahal, no? Hello vlog. Hello Isa.
Hello vlog again. Dito na kami sa
Are you
Boracay.
alright?
Yeah, I'm happy. Thank you.
Enjoy ka ba?
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Good job.
Sobrang blessed ko. Baka maiyak ako mga mahal.
Iyak daw si Isa. Maya ulit mga mahal, ah. We're staying here in Boracay Adventure for 5 days. We're gonna go back to Manila on Monday and then 3 days more stay and then bye-bye Philippines, bye-bye family, bye-bye Isa. I'll see you again next year. Nah, I'm just joking. It's always sad to goodbye but we need to go back to work. Hard work pays off. Mamaya, enjoy muna namin ang aming lunch dito sa La Mesa. Hindi na videohan sa gutom. So far, you like it, your food, mahal ko? Our first lunch, early lunch here in Boracay Island. You like it, Ning? Yeah, our first lunch here in Boracay Island. Yeah, mga mahal.
Beautiful.
It's all beautiful, the food. Mahal Jill, loving it. Sarap lahat.
Can you girls finish that?
Yeah, you can walk. Yeah. Enjoy muna namin yung lunch namin, mga mahal. Lakad-lakad lang kami ni Mahal G. Mahal G, are you alright? Are you tired? Lakad-lakad muna kami. We just wait until our room ready, okay? Our room is 1:30 ready. Yeah, what time is it now? Yeah, that's good. We just walk because we pull. We pull. Tabi mahal. Mainit ba September, buti hindi umuulan.
Landor niyo, ma'am. Dapat ito.
Kalana Beach Pub. Dampa, may pulis. Filipino mermaid. Tignan nyo yung dagat, ang ganda mga mahal. This is Boracay. Spa massage. It won't gonna drop the coconut. Hindi po. Hindi po, hindi.
Ayaw mo talaga, ma'am?
Ang hirap naman mag-holiday na pala dito.
What do you say?
Sabi niya, if I want activities na, if I want a seafood dinner na, she said he'll throw it away the
Well, maybe he wants to take you out for dinner. So if you take me out for dinner.
and you pay for it.
Kasi mag-seafood po. Dampapaluto, madam.
Seafood.
Ito pa mo yung dampaan ng dampaan ko sa loob. Pupundok na yan, ma'am. Dulo.
Saan yung Diniwid Beach?
Doon pa, ma'am.
Sa dulon-dulo pa?
Dulo.
Mm.
Baka kailangan yung bodyguard, ma'am.
No, hindi. Okay lang kami.
Magkano lang bayad, ma'am?
Okay lang. Hindi namin kailangan ng bodyguard.
Makapamasyal, pamama kami asawa ng kontraktor.
Diniwid Beach, we
Did he
go
say you
there
want bodyguard?
tomorrow.
You tell him. You should tell him the colonel has to get on me because I got no money. I robbed him.
Because it's hot. We go in Diniwid Beach in the afternoon. We go photo shoot there.
Ma'am, party boat, ma'am. Party dance.
This is the D Mall now. Oh, fire dance show. Yeah, we go there. And this is the D Mall Boracay, mga mahal. D Mall. Mahal Jollibee. Hakuna Matata.
We already have lunch.
Yeah, tomorrow or tonight.
Itong sumayaw si Sari
Oo. Jan.
Oo, yung ano nila, yung group na. Sa Mandarin kasi sila eh.
Ayan, D Mall.
Nila.
Boracay. This is the D Mall.
Party at party boat later, madam. Island happy. Oh, you're looking there.
Yeah, we look in them shade. There's a D Mall now, Ning. D Mall. D Mall. D Mall Boracay. D Mall Boracay. Hello. Oh, ang ganda, Mang G. Bagay sa'yo, Mang G, oh.
Anak ano, sa kontrakto.
Oo, gaganda. Yeah. We loaded. We bring everything. The Louvre. There's a D Mall Boracay. This a D Mall. Chocolatera. Chocolatera. A dragon juice. O, diba? Naikot na natin, Neng. Ganda. Ito, Ning, ang gaganda, oh. Iba-ibang kulay.
Siya tayo mag-ano.
Oo. Magkano? 150. May pangalan na. Ah, saan lalagyan ng pangalan? Ah, hindi ba pwedeng 150?
Ano tayo mamili? Kakadating lang.
Oh, sa cellphone yan, ano?
Kagaya nung binili mo.
Oo.
Pagawa ko nga si Ali.
Oo, may pangalan.
2,150. Hindi ba 3,150? Para kay Yunesa, kay
Oo.
Alex, ha?
Papagawa ako sa mga co-worker ko.
Pagawa ko din ngayon.
Yeah. Sakay sa atin. Andoks. Ah, tatanong ko nga kung magkano money changer.
Sige.
Magtatanong muna ako, mga mahal, ha.
Papa-manicure, pedicure na naman si Malji. And at the same time, kwentong buhay-buhay. He likes, kaya gaya si Malji. Gusto niya lagi siya magkakwentuhan. Kasi ako, si Mahal Seni lagi sa phone. Nag-e-edit.
Dakilang Marites.
Ano siya?
Dakilang Marites. Dugong Australiano. Galing Pilipino. Marites. Mga mahal.
Dugong Serbian.
Serbian. Galing Pinoy, mga mahal. Marites. Ang kanyang hobby.
Kwentong buhay-buhay.
Buhay-buhay mga mahal. Kung paano niya na-achieve yung pagbabakasyon niya.
Happy siya mga mahal. Very happy siya sa Philippines. Very happy si Mahal G.
Ako nga pala, si Alex Gonzaga, Exitology.
Iyak lang mo na. Huwag niya seryosohin ha. Ampi lang, ampi. So, hoping okay na yung room namin at makapag-rest muna kami. At mamayang hapon ulit kami mag-explore. Kasi sobrang init. This is our day 1 in Boracay. Finish. Busy ang Henan Palm Beach Resort. Ayun yung pool nila. Busy ka rin, Neng. Hindi mo na matatanggal ngayon. Busy sila. Waiting kami mga mahal sa aming room. Mag-wait muna kami. Ang init. Super hot.
Actually, 410, 115, 4100.
Yeah, dito na kami sa fourth floor.
Is it booked in your name?
Yeah, it's under my name.
So it'd be Zenny's first name.
410, 401. That way. 401. Pwede mo na siyang buksan yata.
Oo.
Bigay mo yung key kay Mang G, siya ang magbubukas.
Hindi open the room.
I-wait daw siya, sabi niya.
Sa room na.
Mm.
Go straight.
This one,
Yeah.
401.
Sabi niya hintayin natin.
Ah,
siya.
okay.
Siya niya magpapaliwanag.
Oh.
Nabigyan mo. Tayo. Try na lang dumaan. This one.
It says 401.
Yes. 410. 401. Yes. The number. 410.
410.
Oh, 410. Up there. 410. 410, not 401. 410. La doon. Sa 401, 410. Medyo pagod na talaga. Ha? Left side. Left side.
Okay, we don't have a signal.
Can you hear me?
Later.
Call you back later.
Yeah, 410. Who's calling?
Ariana.
We're in the motel, just getting
Check in.
checking in.
Hindi siya sa harapan ng view. Full view.
Oh.
Oh yeah, buksan nyo na.
And bali dyan ma'am sa exit na yan, sa left side, may another elevator.
Another
And then
elevator.
right side, may water dispenser.
Okay.
Teka lang.
Oh, sige. Ano yun na?
Pwede lang tayo.
Be careful. Oo. Full view. Dito meron din water dispenser, sabi niya. Hindi, full view ito sa harapan. Pero doon may elevator din.
Buti naman meron dun.
Ito, room tour, straight na.
Maya ulit.
Medyo maliit ano. Eh,
medyo smaller yung room. Yung yan.
Pwede na siya ma'am, bawal yung visitors po and then avoid
Yeah.
na nagkatunan lang yung smoking po.
Yeah, yeah. And here's the toilet. Mga mahal. Saan yung light ng toilet?
Sa gilid po dito po. Tapos may blinds naman sa loob.
May blinds naman, ayan.
Ilagay pool na lang, no?
Oo, pool na lang. Ng toilet, toiletries. Ayun, kita. Pero may blinds pag maliligo.
Baba ko na lang, ma'am?
Oo, baba mo na lang. Tapos yung veranda, ayan yung room. Veranda.
Yung slide yung ako. Sabi lang.
Ayan. Ayun ang pool sa baba, mga mahal. Ayan. Yan siya. Pool. Yan. Yan yung swimming pool. Henan. Yan siya mga mahal. Ayun yung, ito yung ating veranda, outside view. Yan. That's our for today's vlog, our journey from Manila to Boracay up to our room. Yan, mga mahal. Thank you for watching. Always remember, be kind, do the good thing. Good thing will come back to you. Until our next video, samahan nyo kami to our adventure here. Yeah. Oo.
Oo, mag-anong kayo. Popol. Pagtimbag ko. Pwede mo. 20 pesos per person.
Ha? Mag-picture ka, picture. How much?
20 peso.
Per each person. Mura na. Oo.
It's cheap.
Asa may barya ka? May 100 pesos.
He can take picture of all of us.
Yeah. And one each. Ta. Neng hawakan mo nga tong video.
Okay, nakaan ka? Hindi ko natin.
Solo mo. Ate, teka pa solo ah. Thank you. Solo niya. Ikaw, Neng, solo mo. Ano mo na lang yan sa akin ah. Send mo.
I want to wet my feet. I'm gonna go and wet my feet.
Diego. Oh, solo ko. Thank you, kuya. Ako bumper. Ay na si Manji. Lumublob na. Sa D-Mall.
Grabe sa pula mo na.
Parang, here you go. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Mahal, are you alright?
Hello, sir. Island Hotel, sir. Sunset Cruise, ma'am.
We're already booked in.
Oo, it's naging overrated na. Hindi na gusto mo picture dyan? Hakuna Hakata. Yeah, lakad-lakad lang kami. Tourist information desk. Di mo, lalapin natin yung ano, fresh air, mga mahal. Sarap. Lakad-lakad lang. Nakaka-disappoint lang. Ang daming ano, naging overrated. Ang daming lumalapit sa iyo ng mga activities. Ay, susunod. Nag-enjoy ka nga ng holiday mo. Yan. Mostly naman nagbubuk sa Klook. Si Yana? Si Yana tumatawag. Ewan ko. Oh, wow! Pinapakita lang nila yung trabaho nila.
Good job.
Good job. De, ikaw na. Si Ariana Bell. Pakita mo naman sa kanya mahal yung Boracay. Kasi di pa siya nakarating dito. Puro siya Coron, Siargao, Palawan.
Very good job.
Yan, mga mahal. Lakad-lakad lang kami.
You done a good job.
Tigilan nyo kami. Hindi kami magbubuk. Nakabuk na kami. Sabi siguro mga kayo at sugit. Hindi kami bibili. Hindi kami bibili. Tantanan nyo kami. Para kayong Italy. Lapit kayo ng lapit sa tourist.
We're just gonna have a look to see what's it like along the
Doon tayo magpapapicture. Sa Diniwid Beach.
Okay,
Pag nakadress
thank you.
tayo sa
Thank
Sunday
you.
night. Oo. Bago tayo mag-dinner. Tantanan nyo.
Tawag pala sa akin.
Ayan mga mahal, oh. Relaxing, Boracay, Philippines. So relaxing. Pamana. Yan. I think station 3 na to eh.
Anong gabi, no? Hapon?
Yan. Mahal, are you alright? Yeah. Are you relax? You relax or no?
Any more relax, I'll stand still.
Army, Navy. O, nakarating na tayo. Ikot tayo dun sa isang D-Mall para lumabas tayo dun sa may mga convenience store.
Kanagin din ko na kayo ng maga.
Oo.
Balik tayo.
Oo. Yan.
Looks like there's rain coming.
Yeah, it looks like it. So we back to the hotel?
We go
Okay.
Get,
The ice flakes.
you want to get something from the convenience store, or you want to have it in the restaurant?
We get something from we need water. Yeah.
Did you know? Boracay is a small island located in Aklan, Philippines, known for its world-famous white beach with powdery white sand made from crushed coral. The island is popular for its breathtaking sunsets, where the sky turns orange and pink every afternoon along the shoreline. Boracay is also a top destination for water activities such as parasailing, kiteboarding, snorkeling, and scuba diving. It was once recognized as the best island in the world by Travel Plus Leisure magazine, attracting tourists from all over the globe. Despite being a major tourist spot, Boracay promotes environmental protection with regulated transport and eco-friendly practices across the island. After a long beach day, visitors often enjoy local treats like Halo Halo and fresh mango desserts by the seaside.
Swimming si Mahal. Oh, binibidyo. Ganda pala dito, Ning Presto. Dito tayo mag-swimming. Pareho yung chinelas natin. Oh, tingnan mo. Yung chinelas natin.
Nice monkey.
It's... How's the water? Salty? Oo. That's why we need to walk slowly, Mahal. We're crossing. Maybe we go